Protect your property with smart tech before it's too late. Most people don't think about smart technology until something goes wrong. Water leaks can cost over $50,000. A single break-in, $3,000 plus in losses. A senior fall, $30,000 or more in medical bills. Gas leaks and fires, sometimes a total loss. At US Smart Building Pro, we install smart systems that help you prevent these problems before they start. Want to make your home smart? Contact US Smart Building Pro today to get started and experience the future of building technology.